Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really cool for all of you entrepreneurs, businesses, and developers out there. If you ever wanted to quickly scrape BBB businesses profiles, well, I've got just the tool for you. Let's dive right in, okay? So here's a tool that I built, and of course, it's using Python libraries, Playwright, Pandas, URL tablet, request, JSON, okay? And it is a web scraper that automatically collects information from BBB profiles, whether you're looking for importers, contractors, landscaper, or other businesses. This application will gather data for you without you having to click through hundreds of pages. I already tested this scraper and it works for collecting thousands of data per lines, okay, or per rows. Okay, now let's say you wanted to find importers in Canada. Okay, all you have to do is enter a search query here. Let's run the app first. That's Python bbb dot py extension Python, and it will going to ask to enter the BBB search query. Okay, that does the and once you put the search query, it does all the rest. All right, it even includes unwanted keywords. Where these kind of keywords, you have to search for it. Okay, you have to create your own search keywords, and I have the search keywords for my for this example. I'm going to scrape for importers in St. John's, Canada, and I exclude some terms like law, legal, attorney, immigration, consultant, real estate, education, travel, recruitment, accounting, and insurance. Okay, I'm going to paste that in, and then I'm going to hit on enter. Okay, all right, it's checking all the pages in Bing.search, I'm using Bing, of course. If you're going to go directly to BBB, right, you will get a lot of hindrances, or you're going to a lot of problems. Like for instance, you get stopped by BBB, you get 404 error, those kind of things. So I use BBB or Bing.search to manipulate the pages, so it will going to I'm going to see all the information out there on BBB, and then get all the information that I can get. All right, now as you can see, right, the application scrape pages after pages of Bing search result, and when it finds a valid BBB profile, it moves on scrape the details. It collects the company names, address, phone numbers, and most importantly, business and contact info. You get a clean CSV file and all the extracted information. Now, once the scraping is done, it might take a while because there's a lot of companies that needs to be removed. As you can see, there's also consultant, right? But if there are few, we can just remove that manually. Okay. Now, once the scraping is done, you get all this extracted data nearly organized in a CSV file this one, like this one. Okay, but if you want to open up in a file or in Excel, going to copy, because this is looking where my Python is located. I also have some other what you call this projects here, like YouTube channel URL grabber. As you can see here, there's a lot. Okay, going to right. As you can see here, because right here I'm going to categorize or have a column for company, address, phone, business management, principal contact, customer contact, and the BBB profile URL. Okay, I'm going to format this so we can see the details. As you can see, it captures the business management one, the principal contact. Almost they are identical. Okay, the reason for this, so that in case that they have multiple contacts, sometimes in BBB they put the business management here. They're going to put another contact here, and then another contact here, and then another contact in here. Okay, as you can see, you can see here, there's no contact in this two columns, but they have in customer contact. Also with this one, there's that this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, it only provides East Coast Water Solution. Probably that was the old name of the company. And there's another one. Okay, and some other company doesn't provide their address or phone, right? So with this one, you have to manually scrape it. Okay, but anyway, majority of the email are going to be scraped by this program. Okay, now so that's how this simple yet powerful web scraper works. If you found this useful, make sure to give it a thumb up. Subscribe for more tips and comment below with any question or suggestion for future projects. And if you want the code or you want to try it out yourself, just send me an email and I'll be helping you. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.